Hey Chris, how you doing? It's Leo again. We spoke earlier from Arona Marketing. I wanted to shoot over this quick video and just showing you some tips and tricks on things you can actually do in-house yourself to bring in more business using your website and your Google business profile. I would love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational to you. Now, as you see, I've got your website pulled up here. Not a bad looking website at all. Love the header, love the logo. Looking down through here, the website layout is it's a pretty good website layout. Like, you got your reviews on there, schedule your free estimate. Um, you got your call to action up here at the top. You know, I would definitely have more ways to convert up here. Maybe a form submit or a chat feature. Some people these days are a little more shy on the phone, so they rather not call. If they had an opportunity to text or email or do a form submit, a lot of people would take that option. And also, one of my biggest suggestions would be add more content. Google loves content. Google sends bots out 24/7 to crawl these sites. And the bots kind of identify keywords in here like roofing specialist, roofing company. The bots go through here, roof installation, and they're going to find out what this website's all about. So you want to make sure that you have about 1,500 words minimal on your home page, and throughout that content, you want to make sure add in buyer intent keywords. Now, buyer intent keyword is a service and a location. So roofing, Nashville, Tennessee, metal roof, Nashville, Tennessee. That is a buyer intent keyword. So the more buyer intent keywords you have on here, the more your page is going to be identified as a roofing page or metal roofing page. You want to save your videos and your photos with buyer intent keywords behind them because they count as content as well. So you could have Nashville, metal roofers, Nashville, something right there. That way, whenever the bots crawl this site, that's an extra keyword that you've got on here. Again, not too bad of a website at all. You know, your back pages need to have about 500 to 750 words on those as well. Now, what I've done is put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So here's your UR and your DR. These is the strength and the trust your website has with Google. This is out of 100, and you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. And you're very, very close to having the same right here. So you want that 25, 25, 23, 23, but this is really close and really good. You've got 238 backlinks with 50 referring domains. Now, backlink is a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. The thing about backlinks is they're not all created equal. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you want to definitely go after the backlinks that is relevant to the industry that you're in and to your area. Now you've got 451 organic keywords. And again, a keyword is just a service you provide and the area you provide that service in. Metal roofers is a national keyword. This can be typed in anywhere in the world and your website will be found for it. So you want to make sure you're localizing your searches. Tennessee is more of a national word too, because they could be far east Tennessee. I'm not sure if you travel that far or not, but right here, metal roofing Nashville. This is a service that you provide, and that is the city that you provide that service in. So that's a great keyword. Metal roofing, Nashville, Tennessee, metal roofing. And these are the keyword difficulties right here. This is the Purposes analytical tool. It shows me all your backlinks. We can find your competition's backlinks, keywords, things like that. This is also out of 100, but the higher you get, the longer it takes to rank. You know, a 0 to 5 or 6 KD, if you want to attack those first, it would be very helpful. As opposed to, like, say, metal roofing in Tennessee, it's only 40 searches a month and it's a 26 KD. That will take well over a year to rank, and it's only 40 searches. So if you're going to attack something that big, I'd go after something like metal roofing or roofers, Clarksville, Tennessee. That's 250 searches, and it's only a 2 KD. So you'd rank with that within a couple months. Now, the way I found you was typed in Nashville roofers, and up here at the top is normally where you see your Google's ads, which is a great way to get business quickly. And then you have your map pack here. Now, for metal roofers, Tennessee, metal roofers, Nashville, Tennessee, you are rocking out for the metal roofers. Having the metal roofer in your name is a big help. So on those searches, you're actually #1 up here, and you're #1 organic. So you want to attack these other keywords that other people are searching as well. Now, you're not in the top 3 for this specific keyword, but that's fine because there's several ways to get here. You want to make sure you're constantly adding reviews to your Google business profile. Make sure your business name and address and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. You do not want to mislead Google. Make sure you get the 750 character About Us section at the bottom filled out, and that's an opportunity that you can add keywords in those as well. And make sure that you're posting geotagged and geolocated photos weekly. That will really help you rank organically. Now, adding the citations, which again is your business name, address, and phone number, you can add those in places like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Yext, White Pages, because honestly, at the end of the day, Google is just a big popularity contest. So the more directories that has your information, the more possibilities, the more opportunities you're gaining trust with Google, and the more possibilities you'll have to boost your business. Now, that's not in your area only. That also leaks out into the surrounding areas as well. Being on the Google Map Pack top 3 gives you about 30 to 40% of your traffic that goes to your website and gives you a call from there. Now, down in the organics down here, we don't count the people that's advertising like Yelp, BBB, Angie's. If you're working through Angie's List, they're going to share 10 leads with 10 different contractors, and you've all got to race to them and outbid each other. With this process, all these leads come straight to you. So the #1 organic is Nashville Roofing Company, and here's their website right here. So this is the website that you want to beat. This is the things that can be broken down and to see exactly what it's going to take to beat these guys. See, their website's wonky. You can't even scroll on it. But as you see here, they really don't have a lot of content either. So adding more content on your homepage, stuffing it with the keywords, and adding more backlinks, you can definitely outpace and outrank these guys. Now, what I've done here is punched in some keywords for the Nashville area. And you have quite a bit of the metal ones, but I also seen some good opportunities in here for roofers. Nashville's another 350 search, but definitely want to go after the lower ones. Like, let's see, roofing companies, Nashville, Tennessee, 300. Let's see, all these in here are really good. If you get them in your content, they'll start aging, and then they'll start ranking. Roofers, Nashville, Tennessee is 350. Nashville 10 Roofing, another 350. Roofers, Nashville, Tennessee, another 350. Roofing in Nashville, Tennessee, 350. So once you apply the right amount of backlinks and let your domain age, you would absolutely rock these searches, not only for the metal roof, but for regular roofing. That way, when someone's searching any kind of roofer in the Nashville area, you're going to be the one that is brought up first. So as you see, Chris, there's a decent amount of volume here. Again, once you start ranking, a big percentage of that's going to go to your website, and then a percentage of those are going to give you a call. And then depending on your close rate, you can turn those into a customer. So hopefully this was a informational video for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love some feedback from you about it. Again, my name's Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Get in touch with me. You can respond back to this video if you need any help. And I hope you have a great day.